Hi, I'm Sharon Vindring, founder of Parent Tested, Parent Approved, and today I'm going to be introducing you to one of our latest award-winning products. This is the ultimate in fun, a unicorn slime kit. This is literally the perfect gift. The kit includes all the ingredients you need to make the unicorn slime, with adult supervision of course, and comes with an illustrated book with 10 easy slime recipes, tips, and tricks for the perfect slime making skills. The kits are fun learning experiences that help develop coordination, creativity, and imagination. Imagine hosting a unicorn slime birthday party where a whole group of kids can get together and make fun slimes. Get your slime skills primed with the unicorn slime.